Hello everybody, welcome back to Building with Bufus. So today we're going to do some sawing. So we're out here at the sawmill and just put a new blade on. Got one of these, I'll show you real quick. Got one of these, it's rusty because it's been sitting out but it's never been used. It is a 7-degree saw blade instead of the normal 10 degrees. So why am I telling you about the blade? Well, because we're going to saw some spruce. So if you looked at one of the shorts I did the other day, you're going to see we were sawing some nice spruce, putting them on the log trailer, hauling them out with the trusty old John Deere. So we brought them home since with the old log loader and the log truck, and now we're going to saw them up. We need them for 2x8s, 2x4s for our big build here, the equipment shed. So today I thought we'd take a minute and try to get some of this spruce done, and hopefully we can get it sawed up. I don't know how much we're going to actually get done, but I'll show you here. Here's our spruce. This is a nice big spruce 16-foot log, and I'm going to saw that into 2x8s. And then if you look way over there, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but see the pile over there on this side of the pile? That's all of those spruce and fir logs that we hauled out of the woods with the log loader, log trailer, and the John Deere. So yeah, so we're going to saw up a few logs, kick up some sawdust, have some fun. Okay, let's go. All right, everybody, there we are. So if you take a look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1.5 by 8 inch. So what we're going to do with those is we got to have a top plate going over around the walls on the equipment shed, and I want that top plate to go out over the wall, stick out over a ways, so that when we put the siding up the wall, we'll have the siding come right up and hit on that plate. That kind of be a good way to butt everything right up against the top, because the walls are 10 feet. So, but we'll go over that when it gets time to do siding. But for now, we got this done. I was thinking while we were sawing there, and about telling you guys about the blade and why it was a 7 degree and not a 10, and I didn't really explain that. So to give you a quick explanation, the reason I put the 7 degree blade on is because of my own preference. So I've sawed a bunch of stuff with the 10 degree, a bunch of stuff with a 7 degree blade, and the 7 degree blades are a much sharper blade anyway, because they're all brand new. You saw a while ago there, I got the new blade sharpener, and we sharpened a lot of our 10 degree blades. But the 7 degree blades seem to cut through the spruce specifically a lot better, and you don't have this waviness with spruce, because with spruce the knots are really hard. So if you have very decent sized knots, the blade wants to travel like this. No matter how much you try to stop it, you're going to get it a little bit. But these 7 degree blades seem to do a much better job at that, of cutting smooth. And of course I've got the mixture up there to lubricate the blade, and I'm not pushing it too hard. You know, all those things that everybody talks about, and you see everybody discussing. I've tried all of that, and it all works, don't get me wrong, but for my preference, for what I've done, those 7 degree blades with this sawmill cutting through spruce, I don't have nearly as much of those wavy cuts, and so that's why I did it. So that 7 degree blades on there, as you can see, it cut through great, and we got all of those 2x8s. So now we're gonna get them off the mill and see what's next. But for this session, we're all done. So feel free to like this video, and if you like hanging out here with me, and you like seeing what we're doing here, and you like all them shorts that we've been doing, then hit the subscribe button, and we'll keep working on this project. You guys stay tuned for this equipment shed. We're going to keep going through this. There's going to be all kinds of different stuff that we got to do. We're trying to get this done before winter. Like I said before, I don't know if we'll get it done or not, but we'll talk to you guys later.